Don't mind me, just trying to film a video over here, mate. Come on, mate. Do the more of me. Make sure they're still in here. Make sure they're still in here. They're still in there. They're still in there. They're still in there. Put them away. So yeah, basically today all we're doing is, we're actually doing quite a few things today. Got 8 wheels to put tyres on, so we'll take all those to the BLING company. See, you guys will see the new wheels, they're Josh's wheels. White T7R 18.5 plus 12, so that'll be sick. That'll be mint. I'm just staring at my car, there's nothing going on with this. So. Yeah, let's get to it. Load all these bloody wheels. Wheels has the tyres and the man. Well yeah, we'll chuck all these wheels, tyres and the ute, and then yeah, we'll see you guys at Waterman. Wheels on the back, tyres in here. Oh, we could have even more room for another 2 wheels, 2 tyres, eh? But yo, because I still have to take my blitz lips apart today. Well, the faces apart, take them out, and then gotta meet a guy called Harry up at Hampton. So we're gonna go there about 8 o'clock. We'll meet the homie there. Exchange cash for goods, as they say. But yeah, fuck. We'll skip on down to the BLING company real quick and drop these off and go get. No, actually, we're going to Ornament. We'll actually go to Ornament first. We're just gonna show Josh these meisters before we put the tyres on them. Just because we want to have a look. I want to show them anyway because they're sick. Oh, bro, don't worry. Mahi hard. I'm getting it all done for you, brother. Don't you worry. Well, here, you can just have a quick look. Just a quick little snip. Manifold's getting finished this weekend. Well, as we speak. Wastegate flange getting put on that. Then we can do the dump pipe, intercooler pipe, screen pipe. And I've already made the new oil drain for it too. So this is pretty much good to go. Hopefully this weekend, so yeah, we'll crank that out. It's been too long, man, because yeah, stuffed out 2 days before tune, which was gutting as it didn't happen at tune, rather than 2 days before, which I guess, yeah, is much better than going to tune and wasting a whole bunch of time. But yeah, let's go down to Waterman. Well, here we are in the big shop. Oh, no, take it off first, take it off first.
Hey, ripping.
Oh. Bro, this sick how they come with the fucking sticker already on there now?
Seen, man.
Oh. Check this setup out. This is a setup and a half right here. 1 word, 2 word, 4, 6, 8. Holy shit. What? Oh, this is crazy.
Oh, that's a light.
Yeah, they're so light. We got the T7Rs here. Meisters over there. God damn. It's my workshop, boys. Hey, that's my new truck over there. Share, boys. No. Hey, 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 we got the baggers! What? Oh, catch it. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Yeah, what's good? What a mission I had to go all the way out and grab this tool just to take these wheels apart, but I thought, why not bring them in the room? Do it in the room. Way warmer. So I'm gonna do it in the room. God damn. But what it is a, what is it? Can't even see it. Oh, there, 8mm weird thing. Good tip as well, when you're taking apart wheels, take it apart from the bolt, not the nut, because you'll strip the nut on the bottom, crack it, and then undo them. E.g. with your 8mm on the top, the 10mm spanner on the bottom. Thank you. One down. A lot to go. One down, a lot to go, my friends. Also, these are coming back in stock. I'm getting about 50 of these. These are still in stock. Just $7 for these. Red banner. Red banner. Almost there. All those ones out. These ones are all pretty loose, so should take about another couple minutes and we should be done with the First one. Hey. One done. All done. All done, my guy. That face is out. Next time you see that, it'll be that big. No, I was thinking of actually going, because these fronts are 6-inch. I tried on the back. Yeah, I tried on the back and it just didn't seem like it gave me just enough, so I might go 7-inch lip on the rear. 4-inch barrel. 11 boys. Just to match the cert spec. What do we set on? Yeah, there you go. 18, 10.5 front, 18, 11 rear, 25mm spaces on front too. But hey yo, let's get this other wheel in the room and we'll take the face out. 50 bolts and nuts later. Okay, roll this over to the garage and we'll tap this face up. It's got the keys to the new car. The homie Drew from BLING just gave me his new whip. Nah, check this. Damn. Wait for the best part. Damn. This thing's sick. How much are those things? Damn, those things are a lot. They're a lot of cash, my boy. Yo, let's go back over to the BLING. Let's go wait. Change of plans. We're going for a little test drive in the Evo. Apparently I'm gonna buy it. Nah. But if anyone wants it, 25k, it's all yours. Evo 7, Evo 8 running gear. And we'll give you a bit of a test drive now, see what you reckon. What a lead. We'll sell it for you. We'll get a buyer. Evo 7, it's got Evo 8 running gear, and I'm pretty sure he said 200 kilowatt. What do you reckon? Should we buy it? Yeah. Should we buy it, bro? Fuck. She's in neutral, yo. Just let it cool down a little bit. God damn. This thing is sick, bro. I might have to give me a fucking Evo for a daily. God damn, boys. So yeah, if anyone wants to buy that before I do, 25k, it's all yours. Yeah, bro. Lug nuts, you know where to come. Street side all day, every day. Yeah, we're just gonna count out 20 lugs. 20 lugs for Owen. Hoping my math is right, Bailey's just checking for them. Should be 28. Hey, we got the Turbo King over here. Hey. Here we go, boys. First look. First look with the tires on. Bro, they came with this like, it's like a glitter, I don't know, almost like a sticker from the factory. You don't even need to buy stickers anymore, which is sick. Shout out to work. Wrapped in some Ken Forest 235 40 18 KF 550A. Biggest KF tire? No. This man just needs to get some juddies now, wait. Get him some fucking coilovers, mate. Freshy meats, boys. What do you got? I love that. Yeah, bro. What a crack up, G! Meow. Chip boss. Oh, boss, love me. Oh shit, yeah, no, hold on. Sorry, boss, we're doing a video over here. The first reveal. Keep in mind, boys, we still got stockies on, so this is just for now. It's just for a little look. She hasn't been out since March. Just even from like here, like, oh, it's like, oh, looks so clean. Oh, you need to get fucking, what's it? Your indicators for your bumper too. Oh, and you don't got a fucking key. What? Nah, fuck, nah. We can push it out. There, should be right. Oh, bro. They're so white you can't even see them, bro. Oh, nah, we need to do your brakes, bro. Oh my god, they're so clean. The fistment spec.